Thank you, Mr. Speaker. It is my pleasure today to welcome to the nation's capital Pastor John Rosenberg of the Lutheran Church of the Good Shepherd in Olympia, Washington, where he is the lead pastor, and he is my pastor. Today is personal with me. Pastor Rosenberg is a graduate of Concordia Senior College, Luther Seminary, and even has a graduate degree from my alma mater, one of my alma maters, Portland State University. It is personal with me today because, in part, Pastor Rosenberg has announced his retirement on June 30, and we will miss him greatly. I have no fear for how he will spend his retirement times because he is an obsessive, compulsive fisherman, which is a good thing to be in the Pacific Northwest, as a matter of fact. I'm deeply appreciative for his presence here today, and more importantly, for living the example of the scripture which he quoted today, by far my favorite, that which I believe is the most holy, and that which I believe is the wisest, and that is Micah 6:8. Do justly, love mercy, and walk humbly with your Lord. And all these things Pastor John Rosenberg does. Thank you so much for being here today, my good friend. I yield back the balance of my time, Mr. Speaker.
Gentleman yields back.